The world didn't end. It was erased. And I was the last mistake it made. Something answered the silence, and it was not human. But I wouldn't run. If this is the end, I'll decide how it breaks. Power wasn't enough. And as long as I breathe, it's not over.
This incredible anime that you just saw, after watching this video all the way to the end and really focusing on it, you'll be able to create full anime series and movies using AI without needing any prior experience and at this level of quality. I created this in just a few minutes. Yes, just minutes. And as you all know, anime content on YouTube gets millions of views. And of course, it can generate thousands of dollars every single month from those views. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do this step by step in the easiest way possible. We'll go through 3 simple stages. The first stage will be writing the prompt that we'll use to generate images and videos, and ChatGPT will handle that for us easily. The second stage is generating the images using AI, and the third stage is turning those images into videos using AI as well. The whole process is actually very simple, but it does require a powerful and modern AI model to generate this level of high quality. I tested many AI models, and honestly, they couldn't create anime films with this level of beauty. But today, I tried the Seedance 2 model, and it delivered this level of detail, beauty, and precision so easily. And now, this model is officially available on Higgsfield, and it comes with many powerful features, not just for creating anime films. Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield is a next-level AI video engine that turns your ideas into cinematic 1080p films with fully synchronized native audio, stunning real-world physics, and seamless multi-shot storytelling with consistent characters throughout every scene. It lets you build rich, controllable productions using text, images, videos, and audio together, refining camera movement, motion, and sound with precision while generating everything in perfect sync, from dialogue to effects. Whether you're creating action-packed sequences, commercials, or cinematic shorts, it delivers professional-grade results with ease. And with Seedance 2.0 Fast, you get the same high-end quality at lightning speed, perfect for creators who want to iterate fast without losing cinematic impact. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, AI with Mo, which will be dedicated only to how to use AI to create images and videos and make money from them by posting on social media. And of course, Higgsfield. You'll find all the links I used in the description. I really love this platform because it's an all-in-one solution. You can create images using AI with the latest models, then also create videos using the newest models, just like you're seeing right now. And if you want to add a voiceover to your video, you'll find an audio section here that converts text into professional quality speech. There are also many other features that we've already explained in previous videos, so make sure to check out my channel. You'll find everything there. Now, let's move to the first stage of creating our anime, which is writing the script super easily. I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll tell it that I want an anime film full of excitement. Then I'll ask it to write for each scene being around 9 seconds, start frame image prompt, end frame image prompt, and a prompt to create a video using these images. And in just seconds, as you can see, it generated a complete and ready-to-use prompt. First, it created the characters that will be in the anime film. We'll have 2 characters. It also wrote the full voiceover script for the film. Then after that, it generated the prompts for each scene. Every single scene includes start and end frame prompts. Not only that, It also wrote a prompt to create a video using those images for each scene. And the entire film is around 8 scenes in total. Finally, I asked it to generate fully detailed prompts for creating videos using these images with Seedance 2, and it gave me very precise and detailed prompts, as you can see. And just like that, we've finished the first stage, writing the prompts that we'll use to create the images and videos. Now, let's move directly to generating the images that we'll use in our anime film. In the beginning, we want to create images for the characters that will appear in the anime film. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the first character, which is the main hero. Then I'll go directly to Higgsfield and open the image section. Here you'll find many modern AI models that we can use to generate images. Let's try Higgsfield Soul 2. I'll paste the prompt down here. Then choose the aspect ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9. And here you can select the image quality, even up to 2K. From here, you can also choose how many images you want to generate. I'll leave it at 4 images. Then click Generate. And in just 1 second, you'll see 4 amazing images generated just like this. But I also wanted to try generating the character using another model, Nano Banana Pro, just to compare. And honestly, I really liked the Nano Banana Pro results for this film, so I'll continue using this model for the rest of the video. This last image looks perfect for the hero. I like it a lot. So I'll select it as my first character. Now, I'll go back again to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the second character, the monster. Then return to Higgsfield, and using the same steps, I'll generate 4 images. I also liked the last image here, so I'll add it to favorites. This helps me stay organized and not get lost between all these images, and makes it much easier to use them later when creating the video. Now that we've finished creating the 2 main characters for our video, we want to use them to build the scenes of our anime film. So I'll go back again to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the start frame image of scene 1. Then I'll return to Higgsfield and pay close attention here because this step is very important. To make sure the characters stay consistent across all scenes, we'll click on each character image and then click the reference button. This tells the AI model that the images we generate must use these exact characters. After that, I'll paste the scene 1 prompt here and click Generate. And in seconds, you'll get 4 very professional images for the first scene. Honestly, they all look great, but I like this one the most, so I'll add it to favorites to use it later when creating the video. Next, I'll go back to ChatGPT again and copy the end frame prompt of scene 1. Then return to Higgsfield and repeat the same process. But don't forget to add the start frame image we just created as a reference. This is very important, and we'll keep following this method. Before creating any new scene image, you must add the previous scene image as a reference. This keeps all the scenes connected and visually consistent. Then I'll paste the second prompt for scene 1 and generate. As you can see, the images are amazing, perfectly connected, and the same characters appear in every shot. I like this image the most, so I'll add it to favorites and also set it as a reference for creating scene 2. After that, I'll go back to ChatGPT, scroll down to scene 2, and copy its prompt. Then I'll generate the images the same way. After that, I'll choose the best image and set it as a reference to generate the second image of scene 2. You'll notice that Higgsfield creates incredible results. I'm honestly very impressed. And to keep this video short, I'll repeat the same steps to generate all the images for the 8 scenes of the anime film. And after generating all the images, just look at this beauty. All the images are stunning, detailed, and perfectly consistent. Don't forget, out of every 4 images, choose one, add it to favorites, so you can easily use it later when creating the video. And just like that, we've successfully completed the second step, creating the images for our anime film, easily. Now we only have one final step left to complete this amazing video, and that is creating videos using these images. All we need to do is go back, copy the prompt for scene 1, which is about 8 seconds, then head back to Higgsfield and open the video section. And like I told you before, we'll be using the Seedance 2 model because in my opinion, it's the best model for creating anime films. Very simply, we'll paste the prompt right here, then choose the duration, around 8 seconds. After that, we'll select the aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Then up here, if we click on Upload Media and go to the Liked section, you'll find all the images we created earlier using AI, the ones we added to favorites. So, step by step, we'll add the 2 images for scene 1 as references, so Seedance 2 can use them to generate the video for that scene. Then I'll click Generate Video, and let's see the result together.
The world didn't end. It was erased.
As you can see, the result is amazing from the very first try. I'm honestly impressed by the video quality, the beauty, and the smooth motion. It feels like real anime films, actually even better. And using the same method, we'll go back to ChatGPT to create the video for scene 2. We'll copy the prompt for scene 2, then return to Higgsfield, paste the prompt in its place, and then add the images for scene 2 at the top. After that, we click Generate Video. And the best part is, you can generate multiple videos at the same time. So if I go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for scene 3, and repeat the same process in Seedance 2, then add the images for scene 3 and click Generate, you'll see that it can create multiple videos simultaneously. And to keep this video short, I'll generate all 8 scenes and come back to you. And in just a few minutes, I created all 8 videos. What's really great here is that if you click on any video, you can recreate it in seconds if you don't like the result, just by clicking the Recreate button. Not only that, if you click on Edit Video, you can easily modify it. For example, you can type exactly what changes you want, and the AI will apply those edits directly to the video without needing to regenerate everything from scratch. Let's check the result now.
The world didn't end. It was erased. And I was the last mistake it made. Something answered the silence, and it was not human. But I wouldn't run. If this is the end, I'll decide how it breaks. Power wasn't enough. And as long as I breathe, it's not over. Even if everything disappears, something inside still refuses.
The result is incredible, as you can see. I really hope you got a lot of value from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. It's dedicated to AI content, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.